In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Bloodstrike. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Bloodstrike on PC and mobile has full controller support. This means that you can connect any controller, including a DualShock 4, and you will be able to play without any issues. So it has native support. All that you have to do is make sure that the PlayStation 4 controller is properly connected to your PC or mobile device. So if you are on PC, which is the example that I'm showing in this video, you will either plug it in using a cable, so you plug one cable into the DualShock 4 and then the other end into your PC, so usually a USB cable, or alternatively, you connect it wirelessly by pressing and holding the PlayStation and share button. With this done, when you find Bloodstrike on your library, you should see this controller icon. If you don't see this, right-click Bloodstrike, go to Properties, Controller, and make sure that it is using Steam input. So enable Steam input for the game. Steam input is what automatically detects and sets up any controllers that you connect, including a DualShock 4 controller. So once it is enabled, that's it. There is no secret to this. You can now go over to the controller configurator if you wish, and in here you will see the DualShock 4 controller selected. I am using an Xbox controller to record this video, I apologize, but for you the DualShock 4 controller is going to be the one highlighted. With this done, you can browse through community made layouts, so you will see all of them here and you can choose any of them, or you can use one of the recommended ones. You can also make your very own layout, so if you choose the option to edit the layout, you can customize every single button. But there's no need to do this. Like I said, the game has full support, and the only important thing is that Steam input is enabled to make sure that the controller gets detected and used when you run the game through Steam. And for mobile, all that you have to do is connect it, usually wirelessly by pressing and holding the PlayStation and the share button, and when you open the game with the controller connected, it should work right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Bloodstrike. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.